People think pumpkin soup is just a fall trend, but in Jamaica, pumpkin soup is a tradition. Let me show you guys how we really make it straight from my stepmother's kitchen. We started by boiling the meat and the pumpkin first, and then you're gonna mush out the pumpkin, put it in the water. It's gonna give the color, so trust the process. There's so many ways to make dumplings, but this is how we do it. And fun fact, do not eat dumplings from any and anybody. Oh, you guys watched the previous video, y'all seen that I got some of the ingredients wrong, but okay, because as long as there's some vegetables up in that soup, it will still taste good because it's up to your preference on what you like. And to be honest, the main ingredient is the pumpkin, and then the rest is just fillers. Correction, I got turnip instead of cocoa eyes. I got it. Once your pot starts to boil, you add in your vegetables and then come the seasoning. I feel like Jamaicans put scotch bonnet pepper in everything, including soup. For seasoning, you don't really need a lot. But here's the main ingredient. Braised pumpkin flavored soup mix and your pumpkin. That will give it all the flavor it needs. And that's basically it. Your soup will be ready in about 40 minutes to an hour. I think you could even put this in a crock pot. I might try that next. Also, you guys don't have to put chicken foot. But anyways, let me go enjoy my soup. Talk to you later.